Burgeon is a verb that means to grow, develop, or flourish rapidly. It is often used to describe things that expand or thrive at a fast pace, such as ideas, industries, or populations' origins. The word comes from the Old French burgeon, meaning a bud, which itself traces back to the late Latin burra, a woolly or fluffy substance. It originally referred to budding plants and later expanded to figurative uses. Explanation and usage. Burgeon is frequently used to describe rapid growth or progress, whether literal, like plants sprouting, or metaphorical, such as a burgeoning economy or creativity. Example sentences. The small startup began to burgeon, quickly becoming a leading company in its field. Spring brought warmer days, and the flowers began to burgeon in the garden. Owes cultural significance. The term often appears in discussions about progress or expansion, such as in economics, technology, or urban development, symbolizing rapid advancement or prosperity. Synonyms: flourish, to thrive or grow well; proliferate, to multiply or increase rapidly; thrive, to prosper or succeed. Antonyms: wither, to decline or fade away; decline, to diminish or decrease; dwindle, to gradually shrink or diminish. Key takeaway: burgeon captures the essence of swift and thriving growth. Whether in nature, ideas, or industries, it conveys energy, vitality, and promise. Subscribe.